Welcome to my YouTube channel, Momshi Bells. I am cooking kinilaw. This is gata with soka. I made this to boil a little. If it is warm, put this one. Luya sibuyas. And I have here a plant, yummy anghang, pang-anghang. Yummy. Dudurogin ko tong anghang. This one. This one. This one. My kinilaw sauce. And my fresh sliced fish. For kinilaw. Fish kinilaw. I put a little mayonnaise for a little yummy. To add yummy kinilaw. My yummy kinilaw. Finish. Olam ko.
Naglalakad ako.
Yummy kinilaw.
Ano, yan ang kapala.